One of the key things in this is, especially on areas where like it's on the road and stuff, don't take tight turns because it ends up like when you spin this thing, it ends up making ruts. Like you can see all the ruts over here where I've been moving around.
Yep.
Take it like multi-point turn.
Yeah.
Just so you don't tear up the ground too much. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna do good.
Okay.
No, nothing's gonna go wrong.
All right, let's try turn around. Oh. I think I kind of did the ruts in the ground that I wasn't supposed to do.
You can go a little sharper than that, but that's
A little sharper?
yeah.
What?